In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use Excel to create a frequency and relative frequency table for a range of exam scores from a given data set. Using the example, 30 students in a statistics class take an exam. Their scores are as follows. Here are 3 rows of 10 scores. We want to find the number of exam scores that correspond to each of these score ranges, 90 to 99, 80 to 89, 70 to 79, so on and so forth. So the way we can do that is we're going to use what's called the count, let me put it over here, the COUNTIFs command. Similar to the prior example in Chapter 2, but it's ifs, not if. So if you start to type it with the equal sign and you hit it, it's going to ask for a criteria and a range. The criteria is the data set of 30 points. So you highlight that, comma, the range on the low end of this row is 90. So it's greater than, and let me back up, put a quotation mark, greater than, equal to 90, quotation mark, comma, re-highlight the range, comma, quotation mark, less than or equal to 99, quotation mark, enter. Okay? There are 4 scores that lie within 90 to 99. And if we just sort of quickly go through here, we'll see here's 1, here is 1, here is 1, and here is 1. So those happen to be the 4 scores. You need to repeat that process for the remainder 7 ranges. There's no real good shortcut here, but if you do that, this is what you will get if you use the COUNTIFs command. So here are the number of scores for each range. Like we discussed before, we want to sum these up as a means to check our work and make sure that we sum to 30. So we'll come over here, we'll hit auto sum, and we have our 30. To find the relative frequency, we're going to divide this number by the constant 30, and 4 over 30 is 0.11 or 0.1333, and we're going to come up here and we will round it to 4 decimal places. And like the previous example in this chapter, we'll hit this, we'll put our cursor on this point, we'll drag it down, and here are the other relative frequencies. The other check that's important to make sure that we've done this correct is we want to pull all these, drag all these down, extend it 1 row, auto sum, we should get 1, and we do. So this is the frequency and relative frequency for this example of 30 students and their specific exam scores segmented into these 8 score ranges. That concludes this video.